The PHP team is pleased to announce the release of PHP 8.3.0, RC4. This is the fourth release candidate, continuing the PHP 8.3 release cycle, the rough outline of which is specified in the PHP Wiki. For source downloads of PHP 8.3.0, RC4, please visit the download page. Please carefully test this version and report any issues found in the bug reporting system. Please do not use this version in production, it is an early test version. For more information on the new features and other changes, you can read the news file or the upgrading file for a complete list of upgrading notes. These files can also be found in the release archive. The next release will be the fifth release candidate, RC5, planned for October 26, 2023. The signatures for the release can be found in the manifest or on the QA site. Thank you for helping us make PHP better. A basic form of array helps to pool in various values without having to add separate variables each time you add a value. The data_get function helps to ascertain this value of an object or array with the use of dot notation. Aliases are used to give a table or a column in a table a temporary name. Aliases are often used to make column names more readable. Map is a very simple function. It attaches itself to an array and helps us convert each item into something else, resulting in a new array. How exactly to convert an item is provided as another function, which by convention is anonymous. That's all there is to it. The syntax might take some getting used to, but essentially that's what we're doing in a map function. Why might we want to use map? Depends on what we're trying to achieve. For instance, let's say we recorded the temperature for each day of the last week and stored it as a simple array. However, now we are told that the instruments were not very accurate and have reported 1.5 degrees less temperature than they should have. The has pseudo class is an interesting addition to the selector aspect of CSS. As of this writing, all the major browsers except Firefox support it, with Firefox allowing you to opt in by setting layout.css.hasSelector enabled to true. As the MDN doc state, has is a way of selecting a parent element or a previous sibling element with respect to a reference element by taking a relative selector list as an argument. In essence, has lets you select elements that contain other elements. For example, if you wanted to pick all the div tests that have a span in them, you could use the test selector. One of the many HTML5 features is the support for audio and video. It has reduced the hassle of relying upon third-party services such as Adobe Flash Player. To embed audio and video into your HTML document, you may use the following two tags, audio and video tags. These two tags are launched with the release of HTML5 and support a numerous range of attributes such as height, width, and more that offers developers to leverage the customization of HTML documents. Node.jsfs module provides functions for interacting with the file system, making it easy to read, write, and manipulate files.